taste testing food with cober, the lorikeets. Eh? Want to try some food? Yeah. So this is Cubby. Say hi. Wanna try some food? First up, tomato. You want some tomato? Want to try some carrot? Oh, yum. Mmm. Coriander or cilantro. What's this? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow, what's that? Okay, I didn't think he was going to like that, but... Oh. Celery. Mmm. Yum. Oh. Maybe not. But at least he tried. Next up, we have corn. You want some corn? Oh, he growled. Bread? You like bread? Yeah. That one's 10 out of 10. Peach? Oh. Mmm. Do you like it, Cobby? I'm not gonna take it. Next up is some honey. You want some? Is it good? Is it yummy? It's not a food. It's his favourite thing in the world. It's paper towel. Say bye, Cubby. Say bye, Cubby.